It's gonna come roaring to life here soon. Wow, I wish I had a bathing suit on. Look how clear the water is. Oh, there's a fish right there. Oh, that's a pufferfish. See right there? Ah, you don't want to step on him barefooted. Pufferfish have enough poison to kill 30 adults with no known antidote. So I wouldn't advise stepping on him. Hope I don't step on him. He died from a pufferfish. He retired on the other side of the world to the Philippines and stepped on a pufferfish. Wow, look at the art on this tricycle. That was a good movie too, Avatar. But wow, that's some good work. Some good art. Ride around, you don't want to be bumping into nobody when you got artwork on like that on your tricycle. What the heck? Beans and rice. I'm a cowboy, baby. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, it looks very empty. It's not market day. See, it's very empty. But the store I want to go to is a permanent one down here. Hey, doggy, what are you doing in there? What you doing in there, doggy? Oh, you're a bad doggy. You're a bad doggy? You fight a lot of you. Hey. Morning. What? My wife goes to this restaurant all the time. And Island Houseware, that's where I want to go. Something happened to my rain shower head. And Harold does not approve of that. So and I don't, and 62 don't approve of that either. So I gotta get another one. See if they got it here. Oh, voila. Oh, they don't allow hats in here. They got all kinds of stuff here. I'm hoping they have what I need. Have to find the bathroom area. Painting, electric, grinding, gluing, clamping, gardening. Huh. Blowing up tires, sawing. Bathroom is somewhere. Bathroom?
Bathroom?
Yeah.
Or that
No, shower.
Shower, but
Yeah. Ah, I knew it was a possibility.
like this one.
Oh no, it's too little. Big?
Big.
Yeah. Like rain shower. Oh no, this big. Like that.
Much big.
Yeah.
Better. Oh.
Mine broke.
There's no stock. It's the big size.
No stock.
It's only small.
Okay.
Like this one.
All right, thank you. I'm in the spoon section. See, they got all kinds of stuff here. Man, they got everything. They don't got everything because they didn't have a big rain shower. But they got a lot of stuff. It figures I would want the one thing they don't have. But they got a lot of stuff. Where I used to get bricks from here sometimes. Hollow blocks. So I just cut this piece out right there. You know, you see it's been leaking all around here. When it rains, it just comes out of this gutter pipe from the roof, you know, from the roof gutter up there. It comes down this pipe and it leaks out right here. I don't want it around this column. This one's getting wet. You know, it's gonna settle more than the rest of the columns that are all dry. See all the dry ones, except for this one. It was leaking right there because it had a big hole in the side of it. I'm sure that that didn't happen by itself. I didn't do it, so I don't know. It leaves it up in the air. How did it happen? I don't know. This is not a good thing. You see it dripping there now. This is very bad to have water running on your foundation stuff. You don't want this. So I'm gonna put a stop to it right now. Yeah, I was thinking maybe a coconut hit it and broke it. I don't know. But anyway, I bought that elbow. I didn't use the coupling because I didn't need it. Because on one end of a piece of pipe, it's bigger, which is that piece right there. That's well in the screen. That I just cut off the end of here. You know, that's made to couple to another long piece of this. You know, one end is small and the other end is big. So I used the small end to go in the 45 and the big end to couple to this pipe that goes to the drainage ditch that goes out into the sea. Right at the end of that ditch, that's where I planted that coconut tree to hold the erosion down there. But it also gets a regular flow of water, dirty water, from the roof and the sinks and stuff. So that was part of my plan. You know, I try to make an ulterior motive to everything I do, if I can. It's good for more than one thing. So anyway, that was hard to fit in there, but that's why they make that fat part wide, I think, so that you can slide it up on there, couple it with the elbow, and then you know, put the fat part on this pipe, slide it all the way up. It's a long length, and then you can slide it halfway up. So it only needs to couple that fat part of that elbow right there. That's the distance, and see how fat that fat part is. So you slide it all the way up there, glue the elbow, and then slide it halfway back up into that elbow coupling. So we're gonna wait for it to rain hard and see does it leak before I bury it up real good. I'm gonna get some extra sand from somewhere. You know, not sand from the beach because it's got salt in it. You don't want salt seeping through the concrete and eating away the steel that's inside here. Which there's waterproofing in the concrete, so I don't think that would happen anyway, but you never know. I don't want to put salt around my house. I don't want to bring none of that in my yard. I will get it from that slope up there where the rain cleans the sand up there all the time. I will get some and fill this in right here afterwards. Put this regular dirt back that I dug out. I'm gonna add some more to protect it so it won't happen again. I might put a rock underneath there. I don't know. If somebody steps on it, that will make it break, won't it? Or that would keep it from flexing down. We'll see. If the rock is flat, might be all right. All right, it's one of my duties for the day. I'm gonna just wait, make sure that it don't leak. Like I said, go work on the shower head that broke. So I've been thinking about this to keep it from happening. It's not leaking, so what I'm gonna do, I didn't want to put rocks under it in case the coconuts hit it or somebody stepped on it just walking through here. This is a cut through place right here. So people that come down the path there, they walk along here, and they want to go to the Bayakubo, they cut right through here. So what I'll do is I'll flatten out this dirt beside on each side of it and build it up a good foundation of rock, kind of flat rocks on both sides of it, a little higher than the pipe. So, and then pack dirt in between the rocks underneath the pipe, so that if somebody does step there, they'll be stepping on rock. You know, on both sides of the pipe will be rocks higher than the pipe. So if they do step there, all their weight will be transferred away from the pipe. Got me? And underneath the pipe, I'm just gonna put dirt or sand or something like that. And then build it up higher than that orange, because the sun makes PVC brittle. And so maybe that was one of the reasons. If a coconut hits there too, the coconut's bigger than that, your rocks will be higher, so the coconut will hit the rock too. So either way, no matter what happened, it's unlikely to happen again. So, just a little thinking, you can figure anything out. So I waited for the rain all day. I gathered up these rocks to go with the plan. It's not leaking. No leakage. I waited all day for it to start raining again. It's been raining pretty good. And it's dry down there, so mission accomplished if I can just get it covered up here. We're gonna try to do the plan. I'll show you how it turns out. And so this is the beginning of the example I was talking about earlier. See how there's dirt underneath the pipe? And alongside either side of it there's rock, but I'll just build that up a couple more layers of rock to be above the top of this pipe. Any pressure will be put on the rocks, not the pipe. That's the plan, Sam. And I've been piling the dirt up, you know, between this rock and that rock. I've been piling the dirt, I'm digging out of here to fit the rock up in there, and then excess is here for the top. Now you can see the plan come together. See how I got soft dirt and sand mixed on 1 inch either side of the pipe and underneath. And then beyond that, I got the rocks, so the rocks can't interfere with the pipe. So one more layer and you won't even be able to step on that anymore. You're gonna just put a rock there, maybe pound it down into the sand like that, like so. And then surround it with dirt, so that, I think I'll take that one out. Put this flat one down here. Gotta dig a little bit right here. Make it flat. Oh yeah. See it? Rock's gonna fit right in there. Okay. They're gonna put that right there. So, you're forced to step somewhere else. Besides on the pipe. I don't know how I'm gonna fit that. I don't like this rock. Oh yeah, that one's gonna go. I'm gonna put that one flat. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna take that down right there. All right, boom. Okay, it needs some more dirt around it now. See, to keep it from hitting the pipe. See that? That's how we're gonna roll right there. I might put a little bit more rock across it. If I can find a big flat one, I might do that. I don't think that one's big enough right there. Maybe. Okay, let's see. This might work out just fine. Whoa. about some more dirt first? All right. Ah, freaking perfect. I think that's perfect. That's pretty solid, not on the pipe. All the pressure's on the rock. Now just bury that. I'll just bury that with some dirt later. Actually, I will cover that plastic up. That orange part. Cover that up now because if I don't get around to it in time, at least the sun won't bake it until it gets crispy. Oh yeah, it worked out good. I could have put a concrete pad around it, I guess, but why do all that when I could just do this? Hey, put some more of this. Okay, that'll work for now. And I'll fill this real good later. That's enough work for today. And now I need to mold this again. Put a little form there, concrete it up, so. Because I think this wall, with all this wetness, see how it's wet too? See how it's supposed to be dry, and that drain has been making this wet. I believe the footing of that sunk down because look, that is lower than that. This at one time right there, the concrete was up here at the edge of that paint. Because look right there, this wall is sunk because I'm pretty sure the column didn't rise up. So that's the ticket. Job almost done. Tomorrow, somebody comes down these steps right here. If y'all keep seeing this wall, you know, the neighbor over there built this wall, not me. So they come walking down here and they want to cut through right here. If they happen to step here, it's no big deal. It's not gonna hurt anything. Oh my gosh. It won't stop raining so I could cut the grass again. Now I'm complaining about too much rain, huh? Feast or famine. But I'm getting little knickknacks done in the meantime. And I put that shower head in, oh my gosh. That new rain shower. Harold would be proud because it comes down really good. Like a tropical rain now. I got a tropical rain shower head. So I just went and paid my cable bill today. You see right there. Maybe you can't. Can't see? I can't see. There you go, focus. 618. I don't know what that is. Paid 5,340 pesos. And that was a little bit, I was a month late, I think. So surcharge for that or something, penalty or tax or something like that. So there you go. So right now it's about 58 pesos. So like I said, I paid for the whole year. So the US dollar is 58 pesos per US dollar right now. So that works out to $7.67 a month. So that's HBO, Cinemax, all that blah, 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 you know, along with Fox and CNN and channels from France and, you know, Philippine channels and everything. So just multiply $7.67 a month. I know you wish your cable bill was $7.67, but you live in America, so you got to multiply that by 20 or something like that. 767 times 10, 76. I don't think you're getting cable for 76 bucks. Not with HBO, Cinemax. There's like 4 HBOs and 2 Cinemax. Maxi Mac. So it's raining, but I trimmed all these limbs off these banana trees. And really I started over there. See that pile over there? Banana leaves I trimmed. Because I was getting them away from my new bananas over there. So it's raining, so the bananas are starting to come out. Look, here's a good group. I didn't even know it was here. So I saw them, so I cut these leaves away from them to keep from dragging the tree down. You know, it's a lot of extra dead weight on it I cut off. So I haven't been around looking much lately. And there's one of my resident frogs right there. Hey, Froggy. Hey, Froggy. Froggy frog. I know I didn't pay you for your portrait. He thinks I didn't see him. When I walked by him, he didn't even hop. Either that or by now he knows I'm not gonna hurt him. Anyway, this is gonna be a nice group right here. Although it may be spread out some. When they grow bigger, see that? It's a long group. It's hard to see, I know, but I'll come out here and drizzle a little bit. See there? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, right there. See that? So it's still gonna make some more, I think. Because you see them up underneath the leaves there. There's some more little bananas coming out. So that should be a decent group. I haven't really inspected the whole yard, but that's 2 good groups of bananas right there. And might do some more trimming of it tomorrow. But it really rained hard earlier, so it's gonna be hard to cut the grass, trim the banana leaves right now. But if it has a long sunny day, it's sunny all the way till after lunch, I might come out here and try to do what I can do. So this is drying up from fixing this drain pipe. I'm glad to see it's really pretty dry right here. I mean, it was really wet, really drenched from, 12 days of rain every day. Coming out of that pipe, the hole in it was about the size of a silver dollar, or at least a $50. Yeah, coin. So all looks well out here. Everything got green. Even this tree right there, Addis. It's called Addis. It has something on there you can eat. It was completely dead. I'd like to get my little pepper sprouts going. But I just planted, our friend gave me these out of her yard, but there's no sprout yet on them. See that? It's a big tree. If it gets going, it'll make a lot of lot of leaves. If I can keep topping it after it starts growing, I'll keep topping it. But it needs to sprout first before I do anything else. And then there's another piece that she gave off. Oh, no, the stem is green. That was from originally. But you know, it's busy trying to make some roots down there, I imagine. So I fertilized it around it and gave it some coffee grounds. My resident birds. Man, if I had plenty of time, I'd get y'all to eat out of my hand. I don't know. You might peck me in the eyeball. On the beach again. Da 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 da. On the beach again. Yeah, mother chicken and like 8 chicks. We walk around my yard. I don't know how she got them little itty bitty chicks in the yard because she can fly over the fence, that's how she escaped. She flew over the fence and left all 8 of them little chicks for me to deal with. So I got them back through this, see that hole right there in the fence? For the water to get out of the yard. So one of them saw that and 2 of them followed. So then I had to chase 5 of them around. So I kept cornering them in this corner over here and then guiding them over there. And then one of them went out there of the second group and 3 of them followed. So that just left one. The dumbest one. Anyway, I had to chase it all over the yard. Finally, I guided it. And I barely inched it along till it got to that hole, and then I backed off and it sat right in front of that hole and it kept looking around and it saw daylight. It peeked down and saw daylight. Finally, it ran out of that little hole. So I couldn't catch them by hand. Anyway, they're so little, I didn't want to hurt them, so I just was trying to grab them easy, which is not easy to do. So that was my evening festivities. They're all back with Mama, safe and sound. Wow, look at this growth of these vines. Once the rainy season starts, they come right back. That Roma, I gotta get out here and dig this up, man, before it gets carried away. I'm gonna get that taken care of soon. Maybe tomorrow. It's kind of like the chicken pen. Maybe tomorrow. So. So. This overgrowth is happening. I can't even see the exit hole. There it is in there. The drain pipe, like that long one down there. That's what they were all waiting for, some growth. I don't know what's going on here. This is crazy. I don't know, maybe some kind of, I don't want any sticks sticking up here. Aye. Whew. Anyway, that was my fun. What's my fun for the evening? I've been running around in the grass with my flip-flops, so gonna go wash off the pollen or whatever it is. My toes are a little bit itchy from the grass. Wow, that's a cool looking green rock right there. Green and white. It's gonna be a good sunset. Look at all them clouds. It's gonna come roaring to life here soon. Wow, I wish I had a bathing suit on. Look how clear the water is. Oh, there's a fish right there. Oh, that's a pufferfish. See right there? Oh, you don't want to step on him barefooted. There he is down there. Wow. There he goes right there. Pufferfish. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's camouflaged. I don't see him now. Maybe he was going to sleep and I disturbed his sleep. I know y'all saw him. That's not good to see, you know, pufferfish. You know, I don't know. You know, they got those spikes come out and poison you. I think they can put a hurting on you. Pufferfish, where'd you go? Don't sting my daughter. Yeah, I have to stick the information about a pufferfish. I'll insert that here somewhere. Like right now. He was kind of bumbling along. I think he did see me though, because I evidently walked right up on him because all of a sudden he started moving. Strange. Maybe I can see something else if I walk along the shore. It's so clear. Ooh. You can see right through the water. Maybe the pufferfish is cruising through here. Don't step on him, Rodney. And then they puff up with them big thorns. I lost sight of him. I think he went on out to sea. But not sure. It's pretty much the same color as, you know, the camouflaged rocks. At least that's a pufferfish right there. That's the shape of a fish, but let me check it out. Whoa. Whoa. Don't want to go swimming. Right there. Is that a fish? That may be. I don't know if you could tell where I'm talking about. I'm talking about right there. Maybe it's a long rock. Maybe it's a pufferfish. Maybe it's a pufferfish hiding from the big monster that's walking around. I don't know. Let me try to joust it from its. I don't think it didn't move. Maybe it's just playing possum. Oh no. No, I don't think it's anything. That surely would have moved it by now. Pufferfish the magic dragon, live by the sea, frolicked in the autumn moon, in a land called Honolulu. Little Jackie Paper. Wow. I went way back to remember that. But this is pretty cool. But I think I'm gonna go in and take a shower now. Yeah. Right. Very nice. So I came here. There's the new rain shower I put in. Yeah. Harold would approve. Anyway, it started kicking off out there, and I didn't know if I was going to get upstairs. It was a little more vibrant than that while I was showering, but I had to dry off some before this is out the bathroom window. Anyway, these three are what they look like, you know. We just leave them open all the time, because if the rain comes in, who cares? It's a bathroom. Keeps it exhausted in here. I'm exhausted.